Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a case study with you that we've got in our workshop today. Okay, today we had a customer drop a car in. It's a Mazda CX-5, a diesel 2016 model with a fault code of P0471. So with cars like this, where you may not have had that particular instance before, or you don't have a great deal of experience in that particular area, don't forget, if you're a TAP member, to go and ask Tech Tina. So Tech Tina is on the main page, a very, very intelligent, highly profiled AI, artificial intelligence technician at your call 24/7. So we've just gone and prompted her with Mazda CX-5 diesel 2016 model, fault code P0471. She's come back with a great 2-page report in regards to what are the common symptoms, verifying the fault, a step-by-step diagnostic and fix for that particular car. But most importantly, she's linked it to about 5 different repair solutions that are on our website with very similar or exacting information than what we've given her there. So there's 5 good repair solutions on this one. And in those repair solutions, it actually even lists the part numbers of the updated part, which is commonly failing on this particular diesel model Mazda. So again, it's a very, very powerful tool. So don't forget, if you are a member, to be asking Tech Tina, give her good prompts. So you want to give her as much detailed information so she can give you exactly what you're looking for. So it's a Mazda, it's a CX-5, it's a diesel, year model, what engine code maybe is in the car, and then what fault code. She can then go through our entire database, find the information you're looking for, link it to good repair solutions, and come back to you with a very, very detailed diagnostic sequence, what the test you should be performing, and what are some of those results. So a fantastic tool to be utilising as part of your TAP membership. So if you are a member, make sure you're going up and asking Tech Tina for that information. Let her do the searching for you through our entire database of the information that's going to be able to help you. If you're not a member and you'd like access to Tech Tina, we've got a free 7-day trial now. So if you go to our website, fill in email, name, telephone number, etc. No payment details are required. Just fill it out and we'll give you 7 days full access to TAP, except for repair technical assistance, but Tech Tina will be available for you to help. So you can use that for 7 days and get the actual power of what Tech Tina can do in searching our TAP database completely and giving the information you're looking for. Hope that helps you out. We'll see you next time.